Maya is a hero. So if this did cut off, I will never hear it when we say it in the first live we freeze up. Maya is a hero. And something not right. Him not like that. Because remember, him alone want keep party, him alone want book show, him alone want control everything, him alone want dance hall for live in a theme back pocket. So you go do that no one a problem. And poor you never know. So you take up your money now and go spend up your almost 1,000 buy cabana. And them nearly kill you.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We are blessed. And you also know the story incomplete of King Mix-a playing on the beat. And as you can see in the beginning of the video, dancehall Queen Spice is giving it to her old ex-manager. Yeah, you know, Dressmaker Boy used to manage her and all of these things, and which never turned out good. For none of his artists he manages, at least for TJ. Yes, I know she had this of some of these TikTokers that is around him for sweets. You know what I mean? She had big up Roger and all of these things, and you don't know she is advocating for Maya and TJ, especially Maya, because you know she a woman, so you know, saying she's a hero, because you know she defend her man and all of these things. Have you seen the video? You know, TJ was balling for Maya to come save him, because nobody did that save him when he was getting, you know, jumped by you know who. So let's hear what the Queen has said, and then we'll proceed at the end.
And something not right. Him not like that. Because remember, him alone want keep party, him alone want book show, him alone want control everything, him alone want dance hall for live in a theme back pocket. So you go do that no one a problem. And poor you never know. So you take up your money now and go spend up your almost 1,000 buy cabana. And them nearly kill you. Maya is a hero. So if this did cut off, I will never hear it when we say it in the first live we freeze up. Maya is a hero. And she should be applauded. Me raise me hat after Maya. Because the girl stand up and defend herself. And defend her man. And man they run her and do and see like them no see. And the same girl them and whoever no want talk and keep silence, uno time is near, uno next. Remember say a long time, people make bad comment. And Romy send people go beat them, you know. Remember say a long time this is happening, you know. I don't know new, you know. All I want to know, you know. I don't know what I'm talking, you know. Remember say like me say, you know, this is the person, you know. It's just caught on camera this time. Because I saw God work. But remember say a long time you do them something, a long time you fight against people, a long time you hold down people, a long time you send out orders, a long time everybody come round you know how you stay. So any DJ come round you, them know if you play no spice song. Any dancer where you work with or your 300 girl, them know if you use no spice sound. Them know everybody know how you stay. How can you be so rich and so poor in mind and in spirit? How is it even possible? Remember you come out one day, you come talk about say, oh, me get Sparrow deal for no favorite artist, or you never get no Sparrow deal. Sparrow called you for me. Because remember say, Tom drunk but Tom no fool. People round you no so up your so, but me up your so strong, that's why you not like me, because you can't manipulate me, or you can't fuck me and give me $2, $3. Remember say, at the time when Sparrow call you, you know, them couldn't get your artist, you know, because your artist did already sign to one brand where is a competitor, you know. So when you come out come talk about me, make sure you come out come talk good, because remember say me no idiot, that's why you don't like me. Remember say because you can't use me and manipulate me, why you not really like me. And you try to fight me down and you try to stop me, and I still stand up strong as a woman against you for so many years, and you're confused and I wonder how. Remember good now? What day when you come out and come talk about spice this and spice that, why you never remember say me used to sell your clothes in my store when me have my store named Spicy Couture down a Mall Plaza when you was a tailor, Why you never remember say, you know say a Spice used to sell me clothes for me when me was a tailor in our store up a Mall Plaza. She have one store named Spicy Couture. Remember the good now? You come out and come talk about, yeah man, remember say me do this and me get Sparrow deal and me you never get nothing. The people them did want to use me. Because they couldn't use who you have. So when the people them see the people them on internet and make bad comment, nobody now do it is you. It's your camp. And so you send up your people them and the girl them so caught up. That's why poverty is a disease and it's a sickness and me dying for you get rid of out of Jamaica. Because you can't give them one look $5,000, them just feel conquered. So them can't live without you. Them feel so afraid for talk. Nobody want to tell you the truth. Poverty is a hell of a thing. Poverty is a hell of a thing. Me say me hear you know me say, it grieve me when me hear you do the apology and I talk about. Leave my mother out of it. Leave my woman out of it. But you never leave out Maya. You never leave her out. Leave my mother out of it. Leave my woman out of it. Why you don't leave out Spice? Why you don't make Spice survive? Me say this something grieve me, Bob. Yeah, make apology and I play gospel music where you never play. You know if you stop it. You know if you stop it. And the man where I like my speaker by the way. You hear the Porsche speaker sound? Me turn on that speaker, yeah. The man where violate from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, it no figure so. It no figure so because a long time, una do them something there. And then you no abuse the woman, them and cover it up under the carpet, but you come and apologize. Then suppose the people them they dead. I say that come ball and talk about me sorry. You come and apologize, oh I'm so sorry, and leave my family out of it. But this grace lingers on. The video out there when the girl get thumped down. The video still out there when the boy get kicked up. You never listen to the words in that song, yeah? Yo. Backstabber could be sister, your brother. Your folk fisia who would have pulled the trigger. Them could have killed the youth. The youth say when him get the beat, him run back to the man who instigate the beat. And I say, watch ya. Listen to that song. Somebody say play it again. You don't understand. You never listen to the words in that song, yeah? Let me bring that part back. I'm afraid. It's what I'm afraid. But I know I'm the best thing anyway. Pull the trigger. Live your life as a battle. Watch your friends more than your enemy. It don't matter what they come and say. They don't want to see you on your way. They pull you back cause they want you free. And let it go the fire again. Break that good for the girl. But I know I will learn the hard way. DJ Maya, me I send out some love to you. Maya, you are a hero. Anybody not tell you, me I tell you. Me just send it to their DM. Me DM you from the internet up on TikTok. Me don't know if you see it. But me tell you, say, you are a hero. And you should be called as such. You should be called as such. Me don't know how to reach out to Alpha Tree police station. Oh, we not reach out there. Wanna see with the two eye or the man thump down a woman and everybody want to hush and feel like it's okay. TJ talk like me know your man and you want act like say, oh, you don't want in a this and you better blood clot in it. You better in it the same way like how your woman stand up for you. You better stand up for your woman. Get justice for your woman for this. Nobody come talk about oh your man and you don't want in a certain things. In it. Because the same way oh your woman stand up for you, you better stand up for her and make the woman get justice for this. Me say Maya is a hero. When me see the girl stand up to the man, them all police out there and them just act like say, I know nothing it normal. Me say this summer me born me. Me say this me so till when me see them top down the girl. Me say, by the time TJ realized him I get the gang and the beating and the kick them, the man could have get up and see Maya dead pan the ground. I don't know, act like a nothing. And woman did it, when did see it, and I act like a nothing and I realize say, it could have been them. And no found his next and even worse. Look how them do the woman. Look how them do the woman and passerbys and lookaboys and man who did it. Not even stop it and act like say, them immune to woman abuse. Now, but me tell you something, I have a case next year, 2025, me out at airport and one man where post like him a doctor because he could never be a doctor. We are doing COVID test for me. I see him so him abuse me. He might do the COVID test for me and he put him hand in my face and push by my head and me beat by my head and say, oh, I saw you do COVID test. Why you put your hand in my face? Oh, it look like you know, push something far back in my nose. Oh, the blood clot celebrity, get up, get the blood clot out of my chair. And him start going the way, me frightened. Me say, me jump up and I say, what kind of doctor this? And I saw me reach in my bag and take up my phone because I want video him because at one point I think he that work for Christian Tufton. And by the time I take up my phone to start record, oh, the man a behave with me one box. In my face, and the same people them out at airport, they and see, you know, but them act like I never know because you know, you immune to violence against women in a Jamaica. And you know when turn around and say, oh me beat him and he must sue me, and then guess what? He have witness, you know, where he might go pay some money out of where he must sue me. If he can talk for him, if he say yes, me, you know, the woman beat up the man, but the witness I go act like he never see when the man did box me. A sound stay. But me not ready to talk about that yet. We are left that for 2025 because this is about Maya being a hero. Because uno man from Jamaica uno love beat woman. And uno people immune to it and love act like uno don't see. Uno love act like uno don't see and hush for money. I only love hush for likes and licky for things. So you want to tell me, say, somebody can manipulate you so easy? Somebody can control you so easy? I go play a next song. I want to name Same Mouth. Because them create a narrative, you know, and tell you, say, I be a slack song spicing. But them now play the song them when a slack. Because through them always the plant that in our head. And the song them when a slack, uno no honor them uno want hear. So let me play some song. I'm wanting to listen to them properly. Hold on there. Turn on back that speaker here. You want to listen to them. Listen to that portion now, I start up. Come now. Outside. This was made from the material from the Porsche car. I love it so much. When it start like a car. Listen to that song, yeah. Listen to that song, yeah. I want you to listen properly. This song is called Same Mouth. It was on my album, Emancipated. I'm not think gonna listen to the song yeah, when me nah sing or slackness. But listen to the words of the song yeah, and listen what happened right now when you come on to TJ. The boy take him money. I go feed the same mouth. We take the mouth and send the kid. The same out you feed at your table. We do to you, we can't do to able. The same out we say you feed disabled. Sometimes we wish them out did have a label. The same mouth where TJ take up him 300,000 figure feed. At the same mouth turn round and almost disable him. The same mouth you feed at your table. We do to you, we can't do to able. TJ could have dead. And all we would have get is an apology. Maya is a hero. Roger, me no know, me have to talk about you, Roger. Because most of the something them I hear something me have to watch forget what really happen what conspire. So me proud and happy if you see how you come talk, and some of them never want to talk. Maya of the Maroon. Them a wish me me fall Maya Thug Life. Me say me proud of you, see, girl. Me say me feel so good. Me see when you stand up for yourself, me feel so proud of you, see. Me feel so proud of you that me sorry say you never have a strength to just knock out the man. Me feel so proud of you stand up for yourself. Maya Thug Life, you're a national. Me say you're a hero. TJ, you have to know about friend. You have to know about friend. Me sorry say I saw you find out about friend, but you just have to know about friend. First of all, let me explain something to you. Come on, you're going to understand. Make a load of part then. I'm going to load that part there. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it, but I talk my mind and I don't talk already and I'm not going to put my mouth and go and talk. I remember I did talk before and I did say I lie me I tell, but I don't see it for myself. But them something me a long time behind closed doors and the people them around him, not evil. Would I say, you know, said this not right? This not right. But Maya, big up yourself. You are a hero. Me not care how them want put it. Me not care who want post when them thump you down. Me want them see the part where you stand up for yourself as a woman. And that me want them talk about. Or you stand up for yourself. And me want to see what go happen and what go be the outcome if everybody still going to be silent and hush the Jamaica Constabulary Force where if you come tell you about the man with them say a police or name, whatever I want name. So come somebody could have said, yeah man, go analyze that person, you just get up and go analyze them. Because I want word or what, like, what? What? You don't like me now because I'm going to talk truth. And when me talk, I put my mouth on ground and talk and I don't care about nobody. I don't feel like me. And the 300 girl where I work with Ramesh, when you know they on the internet and I type anything bad about me, remember say, make sure that you don't want to type found the art. I remember say, you have family too. I remember say, you have people who are picking one that go want to feed. So stay the follow man kind and grow and be bitter against people. And make man build enough a bad mind and bitter against people and sit down and laugh or found and then go and go counting money after I'm done using and manipulate, you know. And clown, you know, and take on for idiot. And spin on like a gig. Continue to stay in the WhatsApp group and come out on internet, come talk bad about me. So all this now, let me explain something to you. Because I don't want to act like me an idiot, you know. That life you have a Ramesh, you know. Him not gonna like it. So, him gonna call the famous TikToker. We have him back. Where him used to give, whatever him used to give them. For them come out for me. But me there for uno. Me there for uno. And I feel like say, uno go come out for uno boss. And me go blood clot keep quiet. Me make sure talk and tell you, because uno don't really know me, you know. Uno but I feel like say me I no artist, you know. Me I get a girl, I struggle, me I come from barefoot, nut shoes. I struggle for make it in this and I care how them try to stop me and plot up against me. Me jump over every hurdle. So I feel like me gonna reach so far and struggle and go through shot, bag wire, knife, chop and reach so and come make you tear me down. That will never happen. So before you wake up a morning and you done, call you fi set you against me because remember say I saw him work, you know. Him now go come out, come talk out and one mouth, you know. Him have him look a girl them when I want to agree. Him look 100 US and look a iPhone or look a this and that. Before you blood clot wake up a morning and feel say no. So now got done. So better uno just be here tonight and go on the bed. Because remember this a 9-day thought. 9 days after this, uno gone. Because remember Ramesh the room now I try doing damage control, you know. You better say I'm gonna do a treat December. Figure something to make it look good and brush off this and brush off that. You see you couldn't come out, come do something good. And then you don't forget about it and move on. Because you can get a phone for Christmas. And you can get 100 US and you can get 500 US. But before you come about me, make sure you come good. Because you see my phone them, you see my old phone them. My old phone them, when me have, me no left them. That's why you see me no really change phone. I would a white man, me not going live with nobody. You see my whole heap of old phone them when me have, that's why me keep them. Me have whole heap of old phone. When you not talk about this and I talk about that, when time I'm not ready to talk, make sure I go for my phone them. Because I don't think I drop me and make. Hold on. Because I show you something. You see them here? Don't make me plug them in, pound. Them phone here. You see how I stay in my yard, me no trouble people. Don't make I start plugging them here, pound. I will plug in them phone here, pound. Anytime, you see them here receipt here? Let me show you, because I don't really understand. Don't make me plug in none of them here, pound. Any day when I don't trouble me. Me keep all of my phone them. You see this is my phone for my baby father. And that phone I did have When him a text me the things, I'm gonna do the things them. So me keep the phone for my big son. So when Nicholas reach of age and me plug in this, from time to time me charge them up. When me plug in the phone here, it have a whole of the text message them from me dirty wicked baby father. So when my son get big and he feel like he can come tell lie upon me just hand him this phone with the receipt and make him read everything. When he used to text me and the things them when him do and whatever, it in a this is for my baby father. Blood clot. You see this your phone you know? Me not talk who this for. Me just there my yard and no trouble you and wait till no blood clot trouble me. But this a phone here, this a for one smarty. You not trouble people. Me you will see all we not talk about spice bagger and spice this nowhere on this world when you can say me gonna talk facts. See that mash up iPhone here? Our next one. Me not trouble people, but me have my things them on can't come tell the lie for me. So when time on the boss I call you and tell you this and tell you that, you better come good because don't make I go charge up none of them phone here. You understand? Ready me not ready yet. I'm not tell lie upon people, I'm not trouble people. Me a girl me very God to call me. I'm a prayer, read my Bible and do my music. Who want it, take it and who want leave it. So me live righteous and me not trouble people. But anytime I no trouble me a problem, I have to call me name a problem. Gracie love talk, but Gracie never tell a lie. Me not tell lie upon people. And me not trouble people. See me in my house, yeah? Me one angle and me pick them. Me drink my water, mind my business, eat my good food, put up my music when me feel like, do whatever me feel like, I'm live, pray, read my Bible and go on my bed. Until you try create a narrative and come and tell like for me, at some time I come out come defend myself and then me done and God about my business and who want vex and who want bust. Cause that's how me stay. So you plan up for me tomorrow cause I know I want to stay. But just know say I know so it a go. Like, oh, uno boss, think it a go. Cause him not gonna have no problem with nobody else, but him gonna have a problem with me. But him if you just remember, say me come tell him the truth. I'm never afraid to tell him the truth. You need to change. You need to go to God. You need to repent. You need to go to God for all of the forgiveness, ask the forgiveness. All of the family, them food where you stop, you still stop somebody food. So you can buy 40,000 food and feed all 40,000 people. You still stop one next 20,000 people food. So what kind of blessing you think that is for you? You feel like say, God see when you feed one person and you know see when you stop a next man food? You feel like I saw it go? You think I saw? Okay. This is your first warning where you get. You see how you're there hype up and high. You have the whole of the TikTok of them in your hand and you're there and you have the corporate and you use it and manipulate people and make people feel like you can get them corporate deal and you see one bumbo clock night you could have lose everything. I saw God work. That's why you must humble yourself and live in your blessings and stop a next man blessing. You take my foolish advice. You see how me I warn you? Remember, say me a prophet, you know. You see how me I warn you? This is just strike one.
And you know, more chattings did go on, so we just got upload up on my other channel. You see it on the screen. If not, you see it in the description or in the comment section. You see what I say? But we're not going along with this no longer. Make sure you remember to subscribe with the notification bell and press all so you'll be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.